10,300 rung phurungnai rokno jawao ongkhona rwjakliya kasui toni jaka laharono police tangphang rokbai thangnai salo rajakor agulini press club o songchajak kokthum pandani bisingtwi 10,300 rung phurungnai rok sakni manthaino sanui khumulung amchaio salthamni dormokot achuklainai hini tangbedik naharlaimani a tangbedik naharmatwino sangorong salo hapangni thani sakni manthaini sanmung naragwi pandemic ni jorani raidano maniwi juda juda amchani 10,300 rung phurungnai rok thangjake kothum lai thakni manthaino sani khumulung amchaye dor mogot achuk laikha phiaba borokni dor mogot achuk laithini raidya saya hini borokni sanmung santhani kebingui khuk sitra khlaijago hini koksil jaka police rokno
আমাদের বেলায় কেন এরকম কেন দ্বিচারিতা
অনুচন না
আচ্ছা কেন দ্বিচারিতা
ওদেরকে নিয়ে যাও
दसरा 323 में ऐसा प्रोग्राम टोंका और प्रोग्राम में चंदनी फाइनल और ऐसा 3 दिन में मैंने डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन टोंका
स्टूडेंट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन जनक काम कर थंग मांडिया लगा
और बरो हाई का सो का थांग नि मसे नि सो प्रोग्राम पाइथन का पुरने एरेस्ट खाइ ने सो इन दाता पुलिस अफिसर तुम माया
हाँ तो आंदोलन चले तंग जगह
चले तंग
बड़ो तंग जगह
तंग
कना मन पर कासे तंग जगह
ए
तो बड़ो हजे फैमिली
तंग ओमपिनी
ने मुखे
आन मुं जेसो जमते ओ से नो ने मास्टर टीचर आइका खुनु दिने सावनाय माने अभद्र व्यवहार करता अभद्र भाषा मते काम खाने तब नाइसिंग टंका मते खाना माने थानाय अर्गान थानाय नि टंका
हमने अंदर একটা 3 দিনের প্রোগ্রাম ছিল কিন্তু 3 দিনের প্রোগ্রামের মধ্যে বিষয়বস্তু ছিল আমাদেরকে কুকুরের রাইটা যাতে মানা হয় তারপর আছে আমাদের যে যারা সহকর্মী মারা গেছে তারা যাতে প্রত্যেকটি পরিবারে একটা করে চাকরি পায় এরকম কিছু বিষয় নিয়ে আমরা তো 3 দিনের প্রোগ্রাম ছিল কিন্তু আমরা তো যেতেই পারছি না এখানে ব্রিজে আটকে দিচ্ছে এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে কী কারণে বলতে তারা তো আন্দোলনই করতে দিচ্ছে না কোনো কিছু বলতেই যাচ্ছে না আমাদেরকে তাড়িয়ে দিচ্ছে এই তো ব্রিজের পর গেলাম আবার এদিকে তাড়িয়ে দিল এই যেতেই তো পারছি না
আপনার নাম
আমার নাম শ্যামল দত্ত
And before also, we have done the press meet regarding the 3 days sit-in demonstration program. So due to that, we had organized 3 days sit-in demonstration program. So what went wrong? What was so unfortunate is that today, while many of our teachers who are coming from different various districts, they had blocked us in Champaknagar, they had blocked us in Dasram Bridge, they had blocked us in Kumtoya Market, and they had reduced the number of our population. Where are we living? Where people are without democratic right. India is a democratic country, but our country, our Tripura, it is so surprising that people are not being permitted. People are not being permitted to even go to protest. We are aware with the pandemic situation which is going around the world. We know the norms and conditions, but we don't have any intention to come on the road and protest or sit for the sit-in demonstration. But the situation had compelled us. Situation had compelled us to perform such kind of protest or sit-in demonstration. And our main demand for today's sit-in demonstration or rally is there are some demands, and that is we want our demand is first of all our demand is implementation of the Supreme Court verdict. On 5th of August, on 5th of August, verdict was given by Honorable Supreme Court. We respect the judgment given by Honorable Supreme Court. But till today, it is 1 month past. Till today, state government is not implementing the Supreme Court verdict, which talks about the alternative job, But till today, so many people, so many teachers are suffering due to financial problem. And even recently, after pronouncing the Supreme Court verdict on 5th of August, we have lost 6 teachers. How many more do you want us to die due to extreme tension? The situation is so unbearable for us anymore. We are unable to bear the situation anymore. Where will we go? If we don't ask our job to the government, where will we go? See, government doesn't have any color. Whether green, whether yellow, whether white, government doesn't color. Government is for the people. We are aware with the constitution. Government is for the people and by the people. But till today, why the government is not breaking the silence? We have heard our Honorable Education Minister in the initial stage of our case that he had given the assurance. Whether the verdict by the Supreme Court is negative or positive. He will make an arrangement, he said. But till today, we haven't seen. He have said that he is extremely sympathized about the situation of 10-323 teachers. But where is that sympathize? Still it is not visible to us. Where is that sympathize? So it is my humble appeal to Honorable Education Minister and Honorable CM. Please look into our matter without delay and please implement the Supreme Court verdict immediately, which talks about the alternative job. And we also have demand for die in harness job.